Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got some exciting news to share with you about Ford's latest recall on their F-150 Lightning electric truck. Buckle up, because this one's a doozy. Ford's in the hot seat again, with nearly 30,000 F-150 Lightnings being recalled. The issue? A loose front suspension nut that could cause serious control problems and clunking noises. Built in early 2024 through April, these trucks may have a torque defect from a misaligned tool during assembly. One drivers will failed after just 634 miles, triggering Ford's deep dive and the recall. But don't worry, Ford's got your back. They'll inspect and fix it, from a simple nut replacement to full knuckle assembly. So, if you're an F-150 Lightning owner, keep an eye out for that recall notice in your mailbox. That's it for today's update, folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more exciting news and updates. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.